Okay, believe it or not, the Appalachian Trail at some point in time is going to come through all this mess. We're in a really thick part of rhododendrons here, and we're clearing it out today for a future relocation. Carl's got the chainsaw in there, cutting through the rhododendrons. This is how you build new trail. There's Bob behind Charles. Kim is up there. No, not really. It's down a little bit. It's right below here. Pink ribbon there. We got these ribbons spread out through here. Somewhere way back in there again is Jim. You can see him a little bit. How fun it is to go through rhododendrons. So what we do is we clear the trail, and then later time we'll come back and we'll be able to dig it out. But we got to come in ahead of time to make it more accessible.